We welcome you at NYN Knowledge Corner.
Namaskar. You are watching video 3M. The three enemies of lean manufacturing system. Let us start the video. Three enemies of lean. Three enemies of lean are Muda, Mura, and Muri. All three of lean's enemies are found in both production processes as well as in office processes. I have no hesitation in saying that more are found in office processes rather than in production processes. One strong reason to say is the production processes are visible. Those who pass through on the shop floor can easily see, while office processes are mostly hidden in physical files, computers, data files, mails, ERP system, etc., and not easy to find time and quality of tasks you might have experienced as well. Now let us discuss about three enemies. First one is Muda. It refers the factors or activity in the production process that is not adding any value to the product, only increase the cost. Muda means uselessness, sitting idly on shop floor or workplace. Futility, pushing a heavy load against slope without using proper tool or power. Wastefulness, wasting material, resources unnecessarily. One good example is to clean a small bearing using 1 liter oil. We have already discussed about Muda in more detail in my two videos that was released in the past. You can see them. Now we discuss second enemy, that is Mura. Mura refers inconsistencies in the business operation. Mura means variability, variation in magnitude due to some factor like change in productivity due to customer demand or change in number of customer, changes at supplier end, etc., are some example of variability. Unevenness, variation in size, length, width, etc. of product, material, etc. are some example of unevenness. Inconsistency, product, processes, or any activity that not able to achieve target every time is a inconsistency. Other meaning is irregularity. Shape of each product is not similar, like surface geometry variation, dissimilar shape of casting of same product, or some example of irregularity. Other meaning of Mura is imbalance, uneven loading of same capacity vehicle. Other example, in a production line, some machines running on its full capacity and some are under capacity utilization are some good example of imbalance. And third enemy of lean is Muri. It refers putting too much load on man and machine. Muri means overburden. One example is loading a vehicle beyond its capacity, running a machine higher than specified speed, overcapacity job production, etc. Muri means excessiveness as well. Feeding more than intake capacity, too much planning compared to output. These are few examples of excessiveness. Other meaning is beyond one's power. Trying to lift manually die set of 100 kg by operator. Lifting high load on low capacity chain pulley block. Weighing heavy mass object on low capacity balance are some example of beyond one's power. Other meaning is strain. Strain, the damage of human body tissue due to heavy work, deformed body of press machine due to overcapacity utilization are some example of strain. Fatigue, too much work that tired people, machine not sustaining on design load after certain period, or Some example of fatigue. Now we see Muda, Mura and Muri in relationship. Here we will understand how Muda, Mura and Muri are related to each other with the help of following example, and also see how eliminating one automatically eliminate the rest. Example is, a company has to deliver 6 packets each of 500 kg, total 3 tons of goods to its customer, and the company has a pickup van of 1.5 ton capacity to deliver it. The above goods can be delivered in following 4 ways. First one, ship all goods at a time. Second, ship the goods twice. First 4 packet, that is 2 ton, and second time 2 packets, that is 1 ton. Third way, send goods 3 times, 2 packets each. It means 1 ton each time. Fourth one, send goods 2 times, 3 packets each time. That means 1.5 ton each time. If we look at these 4 conditions carefully, then we find in the first condition, one pickup van is carrying more load than the capacity. So here Muri will appear. Due to overloading, there will be breakdown in the van, which will lead to Muda and Mura. In the second condition, the goods are being transported in 2 trips, but due to unequal number of packets transported, here Mura appears. 4 packets in first trip cause overloading of van, which cause Muri. Overloading may result in breakdown of the van, which will create the Muda. In the third condition, van carrying an equal number of packets in 3 trips. This time the van is carrying load lower than rated capacity, which result in wastage of capacity in every trip, that create Muda. In this case, Mura or Muri not generated. In the fourth condition, equal number of packets were sent in 2 trips. Each time the weight was 1.5 tons, which is equal to the rated capacity of van. This time there was no overloading, no undercapacity, goods were transported, and no extra trip has to be made. In this option, Muda, Mura and Muri all 3 disappeared. Now we hope you understand the relation between 3. Thank you for watching this video.